YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Will, back in the building with another video. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here and enjoy content like this, maybe consider hitting subscribe. Today I'm going to share you guys my 2023 desk setup. Now I have added some new toys to my desk setup to make it more functional for content creation. So if you don't know me, my name is Will. I make tech videos here on YouTube, and I typically use my desk setup for that purpose. So I do a lot of video editing here, I do some working here as well, and all around just creating content on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. This desk is basically dedicated to that, to make things more functional for me and easier to do the things that I love to do. All product links for this video will be linked down in the description with some discount codes, so if you're interested in checking any of this stuff out. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the ErgoChair Pro from Autonomous. I've been rocking with this chair for about 3 years now. I really love the white and gray aesthetic of this. This chair right here is still working very well for me and my needs of sitting down at the desk for a long time editing videos or working. I honestly don't really have a need to change it. I did a full review on this chair if you want to check it out. All right, so first let's talk about the bulk of the desk. You already know the Alex drawers from IKEA. These are a great way to add legs to your desk and also plenty of storage space. I also bought these drawer organizers from IKEA that fit perfectly inside of the Alex drawers, which help organize all of my stuff. These two Alex drawer units hold up my Saljan kitchen countertop. This is a countertop from IKEA, which could be used for like a kitchen countertop, but instead, like most people, I use this for a desktop. So this countertop is 74 inches long. The depth is 25 inches. This is called the Oak Effects. It's not real wood, but it kind of looks wood-like, if you will. What I like about this countertop is budget price of like $79. It supports all of the stuff that I need to do what I need to do. Next, let's talk about a new upgrade to my setup. This is going to be the Grovemade matte white desk shelf. Previous to this desk shelf, I had the Oak Effect one, so I have more room to store things. There is my MacBook Pro, which kind of sits at the bottom, a few other little gadgets that are kind of tucked in, and without this desk shelf, I would have less space and my desk will look more cluttered. I also added the optional desk tray to this, which helps organize all of my gadgets. I've been rocking with this MacBook for about 3 to 4 years now. It's honestly been a workhorse for my content creation. I love how I can just store my MacBook Pro under the desk shelf, so this way I can take the MacBook out with me if I need it on the go. I just plug in that one Thunderbolt 3 cable into the CalDigit TS3. It powers it up and gives me access to my accessories like my mouse, my keyboard, audio interface, and everything on my desk. It all powers through this CalDigit TS3 Thunderbolt 3 dock. For audio, I am still rocking the KRK Rocket 5s. I really love these monitors and I can highly recommend them. So I have the studio monitor sitting on these foam pads. The ISO pads are from Sound Addict and they do two things: enhance the sound by having them more towards your ears and also dampen vibrations from your desk. I was using an M audio interface, but I recently swapped that out. The Scarlett 2x2 fits better underneath the desk shelf, which makes my desk setup look more compact. I recently switched up my microphone to the Fifine K88. You have the option to use with XLR, but you can also use this with USB-C. I do a lot of voiceovers with this microphone. I really love this microphone, especially for the price of like 80 bucks. So I recently picked up the Logitech MX mechanical mini keyboard. I really love the clicky clacky sound. This one uses brown switches. With this keyboard, you can also connect up to 3 different Bluetooth devices. I've literally been using this mouse for about 3 or 4 years now, and I don't have a reason to change. I really love the ergonomic feel. You got the side scroll wheel, which is great for video editing. I think it's really the perfect ergonomic mouse, and I don't see myself changing this unless the MX Master 4 comes out. One thing that's kind of controversial in the desk setup community is the Delta Hub Carpio 2.0 wrist rest. It just helps guide your arm to just move side to side without having to readjust your wrist every time you go too far left or right. It's like 20 bucks and it's honestly like the best 20 bucks I've ever spent on my desk setup. The next accessory is gonna be my wool felt desk pad from Grovemade. This is the medium version in dark gray. I also have a light gray version. I really love Grovemade products due to the attention of detail and all of the products being handmade and using natural materials. Grovemade recently re-released their task knife, which is made out of stainless steel and is great for opening packages or envelopes or any light duty use. Big shout out to Grovemade for hooking me up with the desk pads and also the brand new task knife. Links will be down in the description if you guys want to check it out. Now to the right of my setup, I have this artificial palm tree from Amazon. It really adds an additional layer of texture in my setup and also brings some like outside vibes inside this studio. Next we have the Stream Deck in white. This allows me to program pretty much anything that I need to be a click of a button. I highly recommend the Stream Deck for a content creator. I recently picked up the Stream Deck Plus in black. The difference between the two is the new version now has like a touch screen, so you have 4 customizable knobs that you can program to do things. The next item that is going to be the LaMetric clock. As a content creator, it kind of motivates me to be able to see my live YouTube count or my TikTok count, Instagram count. It does have radio, you can see temperature, time, and all that good stuff. Now would you believe that this little small clock costs over 200 bucks? I'm not sure if it was worth the 200 bucks, but I really get joy by peeking at this and looking at my follower counts increase. I have 2 LG monitors. These are the UL2700. These are 27 4K 60Hz displays. I really like the dual monitor setup. I will say when it comes to 227s, you kind of find yourself more on either one of the monitors. I typically use the right monitor more than the left. On top of my monitors is going to be the BenQ screen bar. It's probably the best, most productive and efficient way to light up your desk space so you can see what you're doing on your mouse and keyboard at all times. Next on top of my monitor is going to be the BenQ Ideal Cam. I just added this webcam to my setup. It's great for doing Zoom calls. It comes with this puck. I can do things like twist the knob to zoom in, zoom out. You can actually use this as your traditional webcam. It has a magnetic base design. They have a macro lens that comes with it. You can get the super fine macro details of things. I really love this webcam. Another thing recently that I've added to my desk setup is going to be these acoustic wood slat panels. I'm sure you guys have seen these like everywhere. They also have some sound dampening. Does it really make a difference? You will typically be adding these for an aesthetic look. I have these hexagon wall panels in white and gray. These are kind of like soundproofing. I'm not sure how much soundproofing it actually does, but I will say I do love the aesthetic of this. As far as lighting of my desk setup, I am still rocking the LifeX Beam. Really dope light that adds some aesthetic to the setup and more light on the desk. Still have the LifeX Z LED strip which goes on the back of the desk. They are RGB IC, which means I can customize about every 4 or 5 LEDs. I also added the Govee neon rope light, which is this really funky rope light that you can see in the background. This is RGB IC as well. Another light that I've recently added to my setup is going to be this guy right here. This is the GVM bicolor LED video light. This is a 200-watt continuous light with a lantern softbox. I attached it to the wall to save space. Lastly, it's going to be my wall shelf from Grovemade. This is the 54-inch version. This is the maple plywood, kind of adds that wood and natural look. This is the perfect desk setup for me. I really enjoy coming to sit down here, edit videos, do research, do some work, all the good stuff. All links for all the products will be down in the description with discount codes, so check that out if you guys are interested in anything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'ma holla at y'all next week on my next video.